In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Exness account currency. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key detail. On Exness, the base currency of an existing trading account usually can't be edited directly after the account has already been created. So the way to change your account currency is to open a new trading account and choose the currency you want during setup. I'll walk you through that process clearly. First, go to your Exness personal area. This is the main dashboard where you manage your trading accounts, settings, and account options. Once you're signed in, make sure you're on the correct page so you can access your trading account controls easily. Next, click on My Accounts. This section shows your current trading accounts and gives you the option to create additional ones. If you already have an account in a currency you no longer want to use, don't worry, you can simply create another account with the preferred base currency instead. From there, click on Open Account. This is the option that starts the setup process for a brand new trading account. Since the currency is chosen during account creation, this is the step that allows you to effectively switch to a different currency. You'll then be asked to choose your preferred account type. Select the account type that best matches your trading needs, then click Continue. If you're unsure which one to pick, take a moment to review the features of each account type before moving on, because this affects your trading conditions as well as the account structure. In the account setup menu, find the currency dropdown. This is the most important part of the process. Open the dropdown and select your desired base currency. Be careful here because the base currency you choose will be tied to this new account. It can affect how deposits, withdrawals, and trading balances are displayed, so it's worth selecting the one that makes the most sense for your needs. After that, choose whether the account will be real or demo. Select your preferred leverage and set a secure trading password. Make sure the password is strong and easy for you to store safely. Also, double check that your leverage setting matches your risk preferences before continuing. Once everything looks correct, click Create an Account. Your new Exness trading account will then be created with the currency you selected. And that's it. That's how to change your Exness account currency by creating a new account with a different base currency. If you found this helpful, thanks for watching.